National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Buchanan County, central Benton County, northwestern Lynn County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Garrison, 7 miles southwest of Vinton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vinton, Center Point, Urbana, Shellsburg, Walker, Van Horn, Keystone, Quasqueton, Garrison, Rowley, Troy Mills, Vinton Memorial Airport, Rogers Park, Benton City Park, Pleasant Creek State Recreation Area, Hopeful Doolin Park, Monty, Lafayette, Spencer's Grove, and Main Estema Park. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 32 and 49. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.